Hey guys, welcome back to Buckeye Backyard Barbecue. Today, we're smoking a pork belly. Stick around. Alright guys, from the side you can see it kind of looks like bacon. That's because this is where bacon comes from. This is uncured though, so we're going to go ahead and season this up. We're going to use some Gospel barbecue rub. And let's get this going. So I went ahead and just trimmed some of the fat off the top right here, but I'm going to go ahead and cut this in half because I want two different pieces here. Make sure you got yourself a sharp knife, two different pieces. And now we're gonna go ahead and season these bad boys up. I've got meat side up and the fat cap down. I'm gonna smoke it fat cap up so that fat can all render down and get all puffy and good. Season liberally here. Gonna be so good. Marble to meat, fat to meat ratio, that marbling, what makes this amazing. All right, I'm gonna do the other one. I'll spare you guys that and I'll bring you back. All right guys, so we're gonna let these sit here while we bring the smoker up to temp. So let's go do that. Hickory pellets. We're gonna bring the smoker up to 275 degrees today. So she is up the temp here. So let's get these bad boys on. I'll bring you guys back in about 2 hours when we'll spritz them and put a probe in it. Alright guys, so she's been on for about an hour and a half. I already put the probe in. I'm just going to go ahead and spritz this with a little apple cider vinegar and some water. It's looking really good. Trying to keep it moist and add a little flavor. Alright guys, so one of the pieces is already done. I just checked it with the probe. I'm going to do it again to show you. It is like butter guys. It's going to be amazing. It's going to be so good. Let's get it off, get it inside. Give it a taste. We're going to let it rest. 20 minutes. 20 minutes. Check it out. Alright guys, this is rested for 20 minutes. We're going to go ahead and cut it, get a slice. I'm going to cut it down the middle first though, just to see. Oh yeah, that is so juicy. Look at that. Let's get a slice here. Give it a taste.
so good, guys. You gotta give this a try. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button. See you next time.